Alright, Bullet. We're back in the fucking woods. Where are you? Oh, you're right there. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and move on. At least it's not pitch black anymore. What's up?
Heal!
Did you find something? Where you going? Bullet, where you going? Oh, there. Oh, you did find something. Good job.
Creepy.
I don't even know what that says, but okay. Alright, good job, boy. Follow me. Are you here?
Bullet!
Yeah, come here. You know what? Stay.
Bullet! Seek!
No. I didn't mean to tell you that.
Stay close, Bullet.
Because I need you with me, buddy. Can't let you go wandering off around here. So yeah, seems like it's...
Fuck.
Oh, god damn it.
Yeah. We need to find another way.
Yes, we do. Because fuck that. This way. Crouch underneath there. What'd you find? You find something? No? It's just barking. Here, come on. Vámonos. Sawmill Camp. Or Camp A. I didn't even know there was anything out here. What are you barking for? I guess we'll go towards Sawmill?
We won't be able to sneak by this time.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, Camp A, we're going to camp.
Wait,
Go, Bullet.
is that a railroad track? Let's see where it leads.
Oh, we have service now. What's over here?
How the hell did
Another
they get
dog
here?
tag. Hayward Roscoe. Okay.
Bullet!
And a message. Message. Voice message. How do I answer voice messages? I don't get it. Whatever. Why is it lit up over here? Where's that? Bullet. Don't run off.
Heal!
What are you doing? Stay
Heel.
close. Come on, Bullet. Keep running off. Why is this place lit up? Places in here aren't usually lit up like this. Why do I have a feeling I'm gonna have to mess with that later? Probably not. What's the sign say? Oh, it's just a map. Is that a
Trail
train?
cart.
Oh, rail cart. Okay.
Come on, buddy.
Let's see. Ah, I see what we're doing. Okay. Just want to make sure there's nothing out over here.
Come on, buddy.
So, Bullet, where are you? Oh, there you are.
Okay,
Go ahead,
seek.
see if you can find anything. If not, then we just go.
Nothing there, huh?
Okay, we'll just go then.
Bullet, up.
What's this? Okay. Just instructions. What was that? Did I turn on the light? Okay, turn on the light. And start up. Why is it not working? Oh, boom. Good dog. So this is forward, backwards, and start like. Alright. The suspense is really building up now. Why? Wait, this isn't new. Stuff wasn't here before. What the hell? Stand
Good
off.
enough, buddy. Too heavy to push aside.
Okay, so how are we gonna do
I
this?
didn't know there was a logging operation out here. Stopped
I
giving
didn't
up
know either.
permits in the 60s.
What is in here?
This is ancient. Locked.
Great. What's up? Oh, a tape. Aha! Good job, Bullet.
Alright, here we go. Now, it's pretty basic,
A
actually.
lumberjack.
First, you need to ignite it, like this. Alright, then, now the donkey will begin to pull. Okay, so pay attention to the pressure. You need to keep the needle in the green zone by turning this valve right here. Now, once you're done, you put the fire out, and you close the pipes. I'll leave you some notes here, in case you run into any trouble, okay?
Okay. So, where's that machine? Oh, it's right here. Wait, is there anything else over here? Okay. So it's not letting me interact with it. So do I have to like actually just play the video and it will then light or ignite? I mean. Oh, it's right here. Okay.
Ah, the steam's escaping. Something can be screwed onto this pipe. It's a valve, but the handle's missing. I think a pressure gauge goes in here.
Everything's missing in it. Okay, well, I guess I'll just have to appear it. Ready for this?
Attention. Alright, then, now the dump.
Okay, now it is on fire. What the hell?
We need to close the valve somehow.
Yeah, how are we supposed to do that? Yeah, that's up and running. It's all fueled up. But how? Where's the valve? Am I supposed to find it somewhere? What was it?
Filthy.
Oh, it's just a can. Okay.
Won't budge.
What's with the noise? I don't like that. Oh, it's filled up. Arcadius. I don't know how I'm supposed to get in there. Oh, I get it, maybe. I think. Okay, so I need to go forward into Blair. And if I fast forward, this is fucking slow. Open, there we go. Okay. Aha! Figured it out. Aha! Alright, what's this? Safety valve, pressure gauge. Is it on here? It better be. Guidry? We just got a new delivery. Come to the maintenance shed to pick up the parts you wanted. Okay. The shed. I'm in the shed. Where's the parts? Flashlight. Where's the parts?
The maintenance shed looks promising. And maybe there's some spare parts left.
Alright. So, maintenance shed. Steam dump. Alright, we're there. So, maintenance shed. Alright, so we gotta go just pretty much straight forward. Straight ahead this way. And then we'll run into it, hopefully. Yeah, now it's pitch black, and I don't like it. Okay. This is where I break off now.
Let's stick to the light, buddy. Should be safer this way.
Aha! Maintenance shed, found it.
Let's hope it's still standing.
What's this for? Oh God. Okay. Okay. Gotcha. Let me make sure you stay close.
Bullet.
Ow. Gotcha. Went that way. Went that way, bullet. Oh no, he's still there. What was that? I got you. Okay, we're all good. Everything is A-okay. Alright, maintenance shed, this way. So apparently I actually killed 10 of them. Did not know that.
God,
Another dog.
I'm so sorry.
Wait, is this the shed from the trailer? I think it is. It looks like
we won't
it.
be getting in through here.
Yeah, that looks like the shed from the game trailer. What's this? Oh God. So 2 pressure gauges, 6 grinding wheels, dry build. So I only need pressure gauges. In order for more value or more valves, Camp B took the last one for their steam donkey, and now we're out of spares. Okay, so Camp B. I need to go Camp B now. Where's Camp B? Okay, well I I can't squeeze in there. But Bullet can. Come here, Bullet. Oh, there's a gauge right there.
Go
Yes,
get it.
grab it. Yeah, take your sweet time, Bullet. It's fine. Okay. Come on. Grab it. Good. It's right there. Yep. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. This way. Come on. Yes.
One
there
down,
you
one
go.
to go.
Okay, now we gotta go to Camp B. Apparently. Because they got another one. What's this? Oh,
This
another
again.
photo. Sergius. Okay. So where is Camp B? Kinda wish there was a map in that one. But whatever. Alright, let's just follow the train tracks back. Alright, so Camp A. Okay. Camp B. Which direction is it pointing at exactly? Let me check the map. Let's see if it'll show up on the map. I think it's pointing left, but I'm not sure. Let's see, Camp B. Oh. Okay, so Camp B is just straight ahead then? Fuck. Okay, I might get lost, but I hope I don't. Well, whatever. It's not like we have much of a choice. Anyway, you can just leave me there?
Bullet, seek.
Do you leave me there or no?
Nothing, eh?
Ah, damn it. Okay, well, I guess we gotta just go ourselves. Alright, Camp B. I'm following the map. Wait. So, okay, hold on. Let me go back and check real quick. Oh, let's just get in. Okay, so near the maintenance shed. Okay, so we gotta go left of the maintenance shed and then go forward through there. Alright. And then I should find another steam donkey that way. What is with the noise? Okay, stopped. Alright, so I'm gonna go left now. I'm gonna go towards the light. Thank God there's a light to lead me, because then I would be fucking lost. Alright. Just long walks, that's all this is. Just long walks. Long, dark walks. What was that? Another photo. I missed this one, apparently. Catherine. Okay. I don't like how that sounds. Yeah, nice map there. Okay, I'm not gonna go that way. I'm just gonna stay on here. I hope I'm going the right way. Wish I can like keep that map or something. This can't be this way. Okay. Wait a minute. Did I just go in a fucking circle? Yeah, I just went in a circle. Okay. What the hell? I just went a goddamn circle. That's all this fucking woods is all the time. Just circles. There's something I was able to grab around here. Oh, the door. Okay. Let's see. So... I guess just keep going just directly straight until I find it. Alright. Going straight. Yep. Just keep going, just keep going, just keep going. Alright. It's saving. Why is it saving all of a sudden? Ah, it says a sign right here. It says can't be. Oh, are there more monsters gonna pop up? Bullet.
Bullet, search. Stick close to me.
Stay close. Gotcha. Alright, where to next? This way? Over here? Oh, almost got you. Almost got me. Alright, come on. Where next? Oh, over there. Got you. Oh, got you. Okay. Okay. Oh, I saw you. I fucking saw you. Got you. Okay, we're good. Good job, boy. Good job. Let me hit you. Wait, wrong thing. Wrong thing. No. Turn the flashlight back on. Let me pet you now. You're a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Let me pet you. There you go. You're a very good boy. Yes, you are. Alright. Let's see. Can't be. It's this way, apparently. What the hell's that noise? Oh no. Oh no, no, no. I don't like that. No, no, no. Why'd it go dark? No. What the hell, fuse box? Ow. Okay, shit. So this fuse is fucking broken.
Maybe they had some spares lying around.
I hope so.
Worst case scenario, we go in blind.
Well, I think we're gonna have to go in blind, buddy. It doesn't look like they're gonna have any spare fuses just lying around the woods. Oh, what's this?
Well,
And it's a fucking spare fuse. Okay. Well, that was easy. Alright. What's this? Background summary, 6 reasons for referral. Patient brought in my parents due to extreme panic attacks, insomnia, and sleep walking after a traumatic experience. I advise 3 therapeutic sessions per week during a preliminary interview. I was able to determine the following: the patient actively avoids recalling the event. he experiences vivid nightmares since the event, possible coping mechanism. He exhibits emotional numbness, irrational aggression, and disassociation to the event. Overall, he is very nervous, possible undiagnosed anxiety neurosis. A lot of big fucking words that I didn't understand, but okay. Okay. I'm guessing that's a way to go. But let's put this fuse back in so I can see. There we go. And lift. There we go. There's the light. This time no Blair Witch is after me. Okay, so clearly can't go that way. Time to go this way then. I put my flashlight away. Okay.
Each one is
Another wood
more
thing.
twisted than the last.
Yeah. Literally. Okay. There's a bright ass light. You know. So we go this way? Yeah. These paths are hard to see. Like, they really are. Okay, I just go up here. Oh, it doesn't look like I can. Can't go through there either. What the hell? I have to go across? Yeah, I do. Alright. Oh god. I just ran across a log, you know, just because that's normal. There's something I could pick up. Where is it? It was probably just that over there.
This one is barely holding up. Let's see if there's anything to salvage.
Better be. I went all the way over here. Doesn't really look like there is anything. Oh wait, something popped up. What was it? What popped up?
This should do it.
Got it. I got a wheel. Okay. What's over here though? Let's see. A dog tag.
If only I... God
Forced
damn it.
Keith. Damn. When I took the camera from that old fool, it was full of senseless chatter. But I saw it. I saw the things it can really do. Through it, I can look into the darkness and set the creatures that lurk there without being seen. Through it, I can see the things that escape my eyes. And that page is going through the barrel, by the way. Through it, I can see the things that escape my eyes. And through it, I can gaze back into the things I have done. It won't let me forget. Okay. Alright. Just checking around, see if anything's behind or around. Okay, so now we're just gonna head back. Just whoop-de-doo, you know, no big trouble, no big hassle. Just wandering around the woods. Alright. Time to make it back to Camp A. Or, I mean, not Camp A. I meant, the donkey thing. I forgot what it was called. gonna run. No, he's too tired. Alright. I guess I'll just follow the train track then. Yeah, it can't be that way. Okay, so now I can just go straight back that way, and I'll find Camp A. Let's go.
Bullet!
I want to make sure you're with me. Alright. Okay, so back to this thing. There it is. Camp A. Alright, so now we can finally get this log moving and then head to Sawmill. What is this? The track change. Oh. You tell me I could have took a train? You tell me I could have taken that all the way to camp? Fuck sakes. I didn't even fucking realize that. Okay. Oh well, too late for that now. Alright, now we can put everything back in. There. Okay, hold on. So, yeah, I need to play the video again. So... It is, yep, there it is. Oh, pressed the wrong button. It needs to stay green. So I need to watch it. Okay, stay in green. Green. Okay, we did it.
And the road's clear. Hop on, buddy. Back on
We're supposed to
track.
close that once we're done, but okay. Whatever. Alright. We have done it. Wait. Come on. Alright.
Jump on, boy.
Yep, come on. Alright. Good boy. So, okay, it's already forward, and let's go. Let's have my flashlight out so I can see farther. Okay. Alright, boy. You got my back. Just watch it back there. Okay. I think there was something back there I could have grabbed. But whatever. I'm gonna go back. Okay. Okay, it's not as dark anymore over here for some reason. Does that make sense? Sawmill. What do we need at the sawmill anyways? don't think they'll get us in here. And we're okay. Just stay close. Bullet. Stay in front of the edge, buddy.
Don't like him either. We'll be out of here soon.
Yeah. Thank God. Back up, bro. What even is that shit? Oh my. Oh, Jesus! Bullet, you good?
No, don't stop now.
No! Oh, don't stop.
Further.
Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come on. Come on. Don't do this. Don't do this. Not now. Not now. Shit.
Bastard.
Damn it. No, stop hitting my shit, dude. Bullet, you okay? We got a tight grip on this. Okay. Thank God for that. Okay, we're okay.
Further.
We're good. Don't stop right here, I swear. Oh God, I do not like that. I do not like this. No, 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 don't break. Don't you dare fucking break. Yeah, stay still. Stay still. Fuck. Oh God. Oh God. Oh no, 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 no.
Thank God. You alright, buddy?
Yeah, I hope you are.
Looks like this is our stop.
Okay.
Let's go, Bullet.
Let's see the aftermath of that. What happened? Just started collapsing all of a fucking sudden. Okay. Well, let's go. Oh, photo.
This again.
Almost missed that. Andrew? Okay. Andrew. What's with the noise? Jeez. Someone's calling me.
Can anyone hear me?
No. Phone.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, Jess.
Ellis? What's going on? Are you okay?
Yeah, no, it's nothing.
Oh yeah, nothing.
And everything.
Nothing. I wasn't
Yeah,
attacked.
I know
by,
I'm not making any sense right now, but
witches or
that's the
anything.
thing.
It's fine.
I think I'm starting to lose it, Jess. I
No.
see things and I don't even know if they're real or not. I don't know which is worse.
God damn it, Ellis.
No, they're real.
I can't do this again. I'm sorry, but I can't.
Jess, please. I need you.
You need help, Ellis. I tried to be there for
Right
you.
now I do,
really
yeah.
did, but you keep pushing me away. Keep going deeper and deeper.
Jess.
No, Ellis, I'm sorry, but I won't let you drag me down with you.
A sawmill.
God damn it. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll call you later.
Shit, dude. Where you going, Bullet? You found something? You know something that I don't? Oh God, what is that noise? Okay, the game just saved.
This is it. The place we were looking for.
Yes, sir. Okay. Blair witches? No? Okay. I was expecting Blair witches, but I guess not. Not this time. Alright, what's in here?
It's old, not abandoned.
So blurry. Why is it so blurry? Can you? I don't know. Alright. Hello? Don't know why I'm saying hello. I don't want anybody to be here. Alright. Oh, okay. What the? Is this that swamp monster thing? The swamp dude? The guy who's holding the camera? Oh, damn, he just broke in there. Okay, so am I supposed to open a door with that or something? What'd you find, Bullet? Oh.
Quiet, boy. We're not alone here.
Yeah, I don't think we are. Shh, shh, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. Okay. Hello? Bullet, you wanna come
Come
in
here,
here? Okay, I'm guessing Bullet doesn't go in buildings, so... Alright. Am I hearing stuff? What was that? Or was that just me? Okay. I don't know what to do in this place. Whatever. Through here.
we're not gonna
Damn
find out.
lock again. Instead of wasting like a whole hour trying to do that again, I'm just gonna try and find the code, I guess. Okay. Well, is there anything I can use in the video? Let's see. What was that? Okay, I don't know where that was, but is it in here? Maybe? Oh, it is. Okay. Put that away. A note. I saw it. Not a witch or a monster, but a man. A man carrying the pelt of a skinned human. Ew. He saw me, and now he's coming Carver. Carver. Is that the guy in the video who's running? 3324. Oh. 3324. 3324. 3324. Alright. Thank you, Carver. Alright, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3324. 1, 2. Oh wait. 3, 2. Boom. Okay. Got it. Alright.
Huh?
Am I gonna find someone in here? What the? Is someone taking a shit in here? What's going on? Oh my god!
Jesus. Hey, some of those are defense wounds. Multiple cuts, probably a long blade. The blood's still fresh.
Why am I just sitting here looking at him and talking about
Badly
the fucking
mutilated.
scars on his body? Why am I not helping him?
Let me just...
Oh, dog tag. Oh god. Does it bring me back to my old days? Oh, Jesus.
How? Jesus Christ! What the fuck just happened?
If it is my old days?
You didn't
Oh,
have a
God.
chance. The saw went right into the collarbone.
Ow. Ow.
Face.
Oh, god. What the hell, dude? What is happening? What's this? A tape? I think the blue ones are informational tapes, maybe?
Drop the knife or I'll shoot you.
Oh god. Oh, is this what happened? Yep, this is what happened. Oh, it's a swamp bitch. God. What happened? Wait, so what is that supposed to... Okay. Oh. Oh, now it's moving. I am so sorry, sir. Well, I mean, shit, I'm sorry. Apparently it's moving now, so is that supposed to do something? Water's starting to run, or was it always running? Where's my dog? Bullet?
Bullet!
Come here, Bullet. Where'd you run off to? Oh, I didn't even notice this fucker. Oh, God.
It's you. You killed Lanning. Did you see her? What? When you looked into their eyes, did you
Bullet.
see her? Where's Peter? What have you done to him? It's not time yet.
I thought he was doing something to Bullet.
Stop messing with me or what? You killed
Oh,
me.
God.
Killing is always the solution, isn't it? You're far too weak, too scared. Your hands are trembling even now.
Don't talk to me like that, bitch. Yeah! Motherfucker. Oh, God. Oh, God, he's grabbing my wrist. Oh, what is he doing to me?
The boy will die. He has to die. Such is her will.
No. No. What do you, why did I black out? What is going on? Guy is fucking gross. Where'd Bullet go? Bullet, why'd you fetch that stick, bro? You know better than that. Damn dogs. It's their weakness. Stick fetching. Where is this guy dragging me to? I see trees and leaves. What is going on? Oh.
What are you doing here, Private?
It was me, sir.
What was?
Elijah 5. I was the point man, sir.
What are you trying to say, soldier?
I led those men into the ambush, sir.
Nine injured, 6 dead, 6 grieving widows, 9 orphan children, 1 negligent soldier. You should have been court-martialed.
I couldn't stay. Not after that.
It wasn't your fault, Ellis.
So that battle zone over the last episode, that was all my fault. Because I led them into there and that was an ambush?
So easy. Oh, you're so weak. I was weak like you once. See this knife? I remember holding it against my wrist, pressing it deeper and deeper, wanting to end it all, to silence the voices. Weak. Pathetic. I should have listened from the start. That's what set me free. You'll understand soon enough.
Fuck. fuck is going on? Again with that shit. What the? Oh, this fucking stick.
Gone.
Bullet?
He dragged me out here and just left?
Oh, I thought there was a stick there. Oh, there's bullet. Oh, thank God you're here. Whew.
Come in, Alice.
Why is my walkie-talkie Why is my walkie-talkie there?
Hey there, sleepyhead.
Hey, what do you want?
Search the campsite. Something's waiting there for you.
Carver. Oh.
I have a bad feeling about
What is
this.
that? Patient in for monthly appointment in relation to his anxiety neurosis. Seems kept in check. Again, no discussion of the woods or his friend. Dissociative amnesia worsening. I admit this patient is beginning to concern me. Everyone seems to have moved on, but the fact that he does not talk about the woods at all is almost eerie. He has become interested in hiking, hunting. Okay. Was offered a scholarship out of state, but does not want to leave town. Something is keeping him here. Is he talking about me? Is all of this me? Because that'd be really freaky if it is. What is this? Another one of these.
Creeps.
Need my flashlight. What's wrong, boy? Where are you?
It's
Here you
here,
go.
Alice.
Oh.
Look for it.
Oh. My camera? You know, it's all gross. What is
Son
this?
of a bitch.
Oh.
Listen, Alice. This is nothing personal, really. I'd kill you right then and there, I swear. But she wants you. She didn't say anything about the boy. So look, here's the boy. Here's the knife. Here's what I want you to do. Go to the tree. You know which one. Gather a few of those white branches. Simple, right? Now let me sweeten the deal. Do as I say. I'll lead you right to my little corner of the woods, so we can chat man to man. Fucking
Oh,
bastard.
yeah, motherfucker.
Wait, what the hell is this?
What happened?
Creepy.
Patrick. Okay. Boy, can you lead me to the... Oh, you're taking a piss. Okay. Okay,
So
now.
you can find something, buddy.
Can you find the tree for me?
You got nothing?
Okay, I think the tree is this way. I believe it is. At least I hope so. Alright, let's see. Gotta go find this goddamn tree.